Welcome to JH. Have you ever stumbled upon Midoga.com? This site claims to be a magical one-stop shop for everything from jewelry and clothing to car parts and kitchen gadgets. Because nothing screams premium quality like buying a wedding ring and a radiator from the same mysterious URL. But before you reach for your wallet, we have to ask, is this place actually legit? Stick around, because the details are about as pretty as a car crash. The first red flag popped up the moment we checked Trustpilot. The reviews are a total nightmare, with customers warning that the site is a blatant scam. Users have reported everything from receiving fake products to having their credit card information stolen. Apparently, their idea of customer service involves unauthorized charges appearing on your card just days after you shop. It's a bold business model if your goal is to end up in a courtroom. In the year 2025, even your local cat groomer has an Instagram, yet this site has absolutely no social media presence. No Facebook, no Instagram, nothing but digital silence. When we looked at their product images, the plot thickened, or rather, it thinned out. Every single photo is copied straight from other websites. They couldn't even be bothered to take their own pictures of the items they don't plan on sending you. Truly, it's a masterpiece of laziness. If you run into trouble and want to complain, don't expect a human voice. They offer nothing but a generic email address, no phone number, no live chat, and certainly no physical address. It's almost as if they don't want to be found, which is exactly what you look for in a trustworthy business, right? Between the stolen photos, the lack of contact info, and the terrifying reviews, it's clear that Midoga.com is a sinking ship. Do yourself a favor and stay far away to keep your money and your sanity intact. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe so you can keep your cash where it belongs, in your own pocket.